pump out unlimited engaging content and drive real buyer traffic to your products and offers. Would you finally be able to make money online? Then keep listening, because you don't want to miss this. Over the years I have quietly been helping thousands of people, just like you, make their first money online. And all on autopilot. That's right, autopilot. You see, the key ingredient to making money online is having engaging content that attracts buyers day in and day out. That's why we developed Gram Commissions. It's a method we created that allows us to build a massive audience of real engaged followers by leveraging an unknown software to pump out unlimited engaging content to 500 million real buyer traffic, all on autopilot, driving a wave of real buyers to our products and offers all day long. It completely removes the need to pay for traffic, create content, create videos, write emails. None of that time-consuming stuff. Now with our proven method and software, will you finally be able to succeed online? Step 1. Get Gram Commissions and follow the easy step-by-step training. Step 2. Leverage unknown software to create unlimited engaging content and drive real buyer traffic. Step 3. Enable the automation, then sit back, relax and watch the buyers roll in. And that's it. With this same method and software, we see commissions roll in all day long. And we are literally laughing all the way to the bank. And that's why we called it Gram Commissions. You see, with Gram Commissions, we are making hundreds a day. And that is just with one account. We have many accounts like this making us money on autopilot daily. Imagine if you had the same method and saw that in your accounts every day. Wouldn't that be amazing? We originally planned to charge $197 a month for access to Gram Commissions. And it's completely fair too, because you could easily make it back with the real buyers that you can access. But for this launch and unveiling of the unknown software, we have decided to slash the price to something anyone can afford. You won't pay $197 a month. You won't pay $97 a month. Not $47 a month. You won't even pay monthly at all. Just the one-time price that's the same as a couple of drinks. But this is a limited only time offer. If you come back later, you could be paying $197 a month. Or this might even be taken down forever. Because we only wanted to keep it to a small group of people. So if you want to pump out unlimited engaging content to 500 million real buyers, with money ready to spend and all on autopilot, don't wait any longer. And there is no risk, as you're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Either way, you win. So what are you waiting for? Pull the trigger. Click the button below to grab your copy of Gram Commissions while it's still available at this price.